Hi, I'm AJ Hogue. Do you feel embarrassed, nervous, or shy when speaking English? Does your English speaking feel slow and unnatural? Can you read well but cannot speak well? Well, you're not alone. Your problems are caused by the old methods you used to learn English. My Power English course is different. With Power English, you learn naturally like a child. You never study grammar rules. You learn with your ears by listening. You learn actively by answering questions. The Power English course will train you to speak English faster, more clearly, and more automatically without thinking about grammar. You will feel calmer, more relaxed, and more confident when speaking English. You will speak more naturally, like a native speaker. Your grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation will all improve. When you get Power English now, here's what you get. A 6-month course which includes action vocabulary lessons. With Power English, you learn with your ears. Audio vocabulary lessons are more powerful than written lessons. Listen and answer story lessons. These lessons train you to think in English, understand faster, and speak faster without thinking. These are the most powerful lessons in the course. Point of view stories. Point of view lessons are the secret to English grammar. You don't study grammar rules, you learn grammar naturally, just like American children do. Main audio lessons. The main audios improve your listening and speaking. They also teach you powerful success techniques. These techniques improve your English and many other areas of your life. And as a bonus, action vocabulary videos. Action vocabulary is one of the most powerful ways to learn faster and remember longer. Using these simple videos, you will quickly learn new words and phrases. And another bonus, text guides. You get text for all audio lessons. You understand 100% because you can always check the text to be sure you understand what you hear. Oh, and a special bonus, forum membership. When you join the Power English course today, you become a member of our Effortless English community. Meet other members in our forums, practice your English, and make new international friends. When you are ready to speak English faster, easier, and more automatically, join my Power English course now. Welcome.